Bonjour, je m'appelle Loveleen and welcome to my channel French with Loveleen. Today we are going to learn one of the categories of pronominal verbs, that is reflexive verbs. When I say reflexive, what comes in your mind? Same thing comes in my mind also, that is reflection. And we all know what is reflection. When something starts from any source, goes and get back, return to the same source. Same thing is happening in the reflexive verbs. That is, the subject is performing action on itself only. In other words, I can tell that when a subject is taking an action, the reaction is also coming on the subject only. You need examples? Let's check these. Okay, it's enough laughing. Now stop laughing and just check what I want to convey through these videos. So in the first video, I'm washing car. I'm a subject and the object is car. Means I am taking action and the reaction is coming on the car. Means I am washing car and the car is getting cleaned, not me. Right? So this is not a pronominal verb. But in the another example, in the another video, if you see I am washing my hands, means the subject, I am subject, right? And I am taking action on me only, that is my hands, right? So what is getting cleaned? My own hands, that is a pronominal verb, right? You need some more examples. Let's check this one also. Now in the first video, I'm trying to wake my child, my daughter up, but that's not a story. She's not waking up, but she's giving me reaction. Means I'm subject and the reaction is coming from my daughter. That is not a pronominal verb, of course. And the next video, in another video, alarm rang and I woke up. Means alarm rang, my mind gave me signal to my body. I just opened my eyes and I woke up. It means that's a pronominal verb. Subject and object both are same. I am taking action and the reaction is also I am giving. It means that's a pronominal verb. I hope you understood. Okay, so how to identify these pronominal verbs? It's actually really very simple, because in front of all pronominal verbs, there is a two-letter word se. So this is the biggest hint. If se is not there in front of any verb, it means that's not a pronominal verb. For example, if it's written love, love means to lift something. But if it's written se lave, means to get up, means to lift your own body, to get up, right? So it changes the meaning as well. Now let's check the formation of these reflexive verbs. It's actually again very simple, because the verb which we are using, if it's a er verb or if it's a ir verb or re verb, we have to conjugate the verb the same way. And the subject pronouns, of course, we are familiar with those, quite easy. But the only difference is in the reflexive verbs that we have to use the reflexive pronouns. And these reflexive pronouns must agree, must match with the subject pronouns. And where it will come? It will come next to the subject pronoun. For example, like je me lave, that is I wash myself. Je me lave les mains, right? I wash my hands. Tu te laves, here with tu, te is coming, means it's matching. Tu te laves les mains, you are washing your hands. Il se lave les mains, he is washing his hands. Elle se lave les mains, she is washing her hands. Nous lavons les mains, we are washing our hands. Vous lavez les mains. You are washing your hands. Ils se lavent les mains. They are washing their hands. And this they is a group of masculine. Ils, plural. Next, elles se lavent les mains. They are washing their hands. It's again a group, but it's a feminine group here. Right? Means the all reflexive pronouns are matching with the subject pronouns. Okay, now see, if I'm saying je me lave les mains, means I'm washing my hands. But if this reflexive pronoun is not there, I'm saying je lave la voiture. Right? Like in the example in that video, I was washing that car. So if I say je lave la voiture, here I'm not using reflexive pronoun. It means it's not a reflexive verb. It's quite simple. If reflexive pronoun is there and that is matching with the subject pronoun, only then it's a reflexive verb. If it's not there, it means it's not a reflexive verb. Okay, you understood? Okay, so what exactly I want you to do is conjugate these verbs. And another thing is just practice speaking, just speak, use these reflexive verbs because these all are routine, routine verbs. Like we say in the morning, je me réveille, I wake up, right? You can add timing as well. If you don't know how to tell time, you can check my video, on time as well. So you can add time, that is je me réveille à 7h, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then you can tell your routine, but je me lève, I get up à 7h30 at 7:30, right? This way, just keep on, you can tell your routine, use these words in your daily routine. Okay, and one more thing, if you wanna know how to change these pronominal sentences, present sentences, because I have taught you present part only. If you wanna know how to make past tenses as well, pronominal past tenses, then check my another video. That's a part 2. Okay, pronominal verbs past tense part 2. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's quite easy, and of course it's free of cost. It will just take a second. Just click this, below one red button is there. Just click it. And if you want that whenever I upload my new video, you wanna get the notification, then just press this notification bell as well. Then you will easily get the notifications that whenever I'm uploading my another video, my new videos, okay? So keep learning and keep watching my channel, French with Loveleen. Au revoir.